Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I talk about everything related to the popular Canadian drama series Heartland. If you are a fan of the show, you probably know that season 17 is currently in production and will be airing soon. But you may also have heard some rumors that Amber Marshall, who plays the main character Amy Fleming, is leaving. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. Leaving the show after this season. Is this true? Is Amber Marshall really saying goodbye to Heartland? Well, in this video, I'm going to debunk these rumors and tell you why Amber Marshall is not leaving Heartland anytime soon. First of all, let me tell you where these rumors came from. Some fans have noticed that Amber Marshall has been posting less frequently on her social media accounts, especially on Instagram, where she used to share a lot of behind-the-scenes photos and videos from the set of Heartland. Some fans have speculated that this means she is losing interest in the show or that she is busy with other projects. Some fans have also pointed out that Amber Marshall has been living on a ranch in Ontario with her husband and animals, which is far away from the filming location of Heartland in Alberta. Some fans have wondered if this distance makes it harder for her to commit to the show or if she prefers to spend more time on her ranch. However, these rumors are completely unfounded and have no basis in reality. Amber Marshall has not announced or hinted at any plans to leave Heartland after season 17. In fact, she has expressed her love and gratitude for the show and her character many times in interviews and podcasts. For example, in an interview with TV Insider, she said, "It's a rare opportunity that an actor gets to play a character for this long. To be able to grow as a person simultaneously with my character's growth has been cool. I just absolutely love the longevity of the show because it makes the character have so much more realism and history with other characters." She also revealed that she found out about Graham Wardle's decision to leave the show 2 years ago and that she supported him in his choice. She said, "I think it was very brave of him to make that decision because he knew how much it would affect not only himself but everyone around him." She also said that she was excited to see how Amy's story would continue after Ty's death and how she would find love again with Finn. So, as you can see, Amber Marshall is very dedicated and loyal to Heartland and has no intention of leaving the show. She may post less on social media because she wants to keep some privacy or because she is busy with filming or other activities. She may live far from the set, but she still travels back and forth to film the show and enjoys working with her co-stars and crew. She may face some challenges and changes in her character's life, but she embraces them as opportunities for growth and development. Therefore, I hope this video has cleared up any doubts or confusion you may have had about Amber Marshall's future on Heartland. She is not leaving the show after season 17 and will continue to play Amy Fleming as long as the show goes on. She is an amazing actress and a wonderful person who deserves our respect and support. So let's stop spreading rumors and start celebrating her work and talent. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos about Heartland. See you next time.